Alright, so we're live. So we're going to react some sodium with water. I'm going to open it up here. You can see the metal inside the liquid. I'm going to reach in and grab ourselves a little chunk here. Get a hold of some. Alright, that's a lot. But what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to cut a chunk off and we're going to take a look at what it looks like. Probably shouldn't be touching it with my hands, but I've got gloves. So the first thing to note is the sodium, when you cut it, is quite shiny. We'll zoom in on that so you can see. Okay. So you can see, try to show it to you, a little bit hard, but just watch. As soon as I cut it, it'll be shiny for a second, and then it'll instantly kind of start to tarnish. Alright? So that's the sodium reacting with the air itself and corroding basically right before your eyes. I'm just going to put my big chunk of sodium back in its oil. So the liquid that the sodium's kept in, it's an oil liquid, and that just prevents the air or any water that might be, any moisture that might be in the air from getting into the sodium, because it obviously reacts directly with air. So I'll show you that one more time, how shiny it can be when you cut it open. You'll also notice that for a metal, it's extremely soft, right? It cuts no problem with this utility knife. Now we're going to show what happens when we react sodium with water. And all the alkali metals will react in a similar, way. Just want to make sure here we're focused on the right part of the scene. Yeah, maybe I'll kill the light. It might be better. Yeah, that is better. Okay, so I'll put a little bit of water in here. And I don't know how exciting this will be, but in the past I've had some pretty good reactions from sodium. You can see sparks and you can see smoke. And you can see a gas being evolved off of there. Till it's all gone. It makes like a choky vapor. Should we do the bigger chunk? No! I'm not a big fan of this stuff. So it moves around because it's evolving gas off the metal really fast as it reacts with the water. And it's actually like making it float and pushing it around sort of randomly as that gas comes out of basically out of the metal from the reaction. You can see little flames and sparks. Every once in a while you get a small explosion. But there you go.